Welcome back to another review video. Top Hat Plus here. Today we are reviewing a 2022 Chevrolet TrailBlazer LT. First time driving one. Not a ton to comment on. It's smooth, it's quiet, it's surprisingly poised in the handling department. The greenhouse effect and window visibility is very good for the segment. The seats are comfortable, lots of adjustability. The tech and features are also very great. It's just a nice spot to spend time without anything that's overly great or overly bad. I'm quite pleased. It's got a very similar wheel to the Camaro, which obviously makes me happy because then you can do a little bit of sports car in when you're not driving a sports car, which just gives you a little bit more fun in your daily life. This is surprisingly packed with features, with auto braking and a few other pretty solid options that can be very beneficial if you are driving while tired. Could save your day. You never know. So I just thought I'd bring that to you real quick. We are going to be upgrading what might be the weakest point of this vehicle, which is the audio system. So subscribe. There's just lots more cool content to come. So hope everybody's having a great day. Drive safe and take care, as always.